Hi guys, it's Seafood Cook here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing my monkfish with spice rum seasoning, and this is in celebration of an event I've got coming up on the 26th of October in Weesup in Torquay. Before we get into the video, I'd just like to thank my sponsor, the Kitchen and Gift Shop in Torquay. Right, so today on the chopping board we've got a handful of coriander, a handful of mint, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red chilli, paprika, ground cumin, lime, and of course our spice rum. Right, so to begin, what I've done is I've just bunched the coriander and the mint together, and we're just going to break them all down into real fine pieces. So now you've got it down to a good consistency. We're just going to pop it straight into our mixing bowl here. Now it's time for the garlic. Same as usual, cut both ends off and peel. So once you've peeled it, what we're going to do, crush it, cut down. Again, we're looking for the same consistency as the mint and the coriander. Those really fine pieces. Now once we've broken these pieces down, we're going to do the same for the other one as well. So now that the garlic's done, we're going to move on to the chilli. Stalk comes off, cut in half. It's entirely up to you if you want to keep the seeds in the middle or not. I like to keep them in there. So now that we've cut down, we're going to continue to do the same with these ones as we did with the rest of the ingredients and just break them all down. As you can see, this is the sort of consistency that we're looking for. I like really finer pieces, so I'll keep on breaking these ones down. So now we've prepped all the ingredients. You can see here I've popped it all into this bowl. And what we're going to do in this bit, we're going to add the olive oil. You just want enough to soak the ingredients. A couple glugs of the spiced rum, our paprika, and our cumin. Now with the lime, we're just going to use a little bit of it. So just cut it in half and squeeze it in there like that. Now just get a wooden spoon or anything you have to hand and just mix all the ingredients together. And now we're ready to cook the monkfish. So as you can see with the monkfish, I've already got in a dish with a little bit of olive oil, and we're just going to season it with a little bit of salt. Perfect, so now that the pan's heated up nicely, I've got it on about a 7 if you're using induction. If you're using a gas, it's about a medium heat. Just going to add a tiny bit of olive oil to the pan, and the pan is ready for the monkfish. Now due to the size of the monkfish, this will take about 6 to 7 minutes, about 4 minutes at one side, 3 minutes on the other. Now it's cooked enough on that side, it's got a nice caramelisation, we're just going to flip it. And we're just going to let that cook for a further 3 minutes. So now you've given it the correct amount of time, we're just going to turn the hob off. And now we're going to add our seasoning. Finish with the garnish. And add the lime. So there you have it guys, that is my monkfish with spiced rum seasoning, and it will be on the menu at this event that I'm doing at Weesup on the 26th of October. All the information will be on my Instagram soon. Thank you very much for watching.